The Goldfish Aquarium has been set up for 5 weeks now, but it's only at this stage it's starting to look good. So quite often when we first set up a tank, you tend to get this weird brown diatom algae kick in. It's really annoying and it kind of destroys all your hard work just when you thought the tank was looking perfect. But have no fear, people, like, this is just normal. Everyone, well, not always, it doesn't always happen, but 90% of the time it seems to happen. The good news is it's easy to wipe off of surfaces. Plants can be a little tough, but you can get right on there and just scrub it off like that. Water changes, just your normal maintenance will actually get rid of it, and within another couple of weeks it will die right back and eventually just go. But sometimes though, there's just no substitute for getting in there and getting the thing done that needs doing. What? You know what I mean. See, I enjoy a little algae covering on my rocks as much as the next person. I think it looks natural and good, but brown algae, that doesn't look good. And at no circumstances does that look good. Ah yeah, and another really cool thing I found, another plant that you can put with goldfish that they don't absolutely destroy. It's called Milfoil. It's an oxygenating pond plant, but doesn't it look really good? It's so vibrant and green, grows really, it's not even planted. I just plonked it in, it's got some weights on the bottom. I just wanted to stick it in and see if it would work, and it's worked out really well. And then of course we've got the rotala in there that's growing absolutely beautifully, which I knew it would, but this is the green variant, so it's pretty much the same as rotala rotundifolia, but it's rotala green, rotundifolia green. Anyway, they didn't eat that in the last aquarium, so I didn't think they would do in this one, and they haven't, so that's growing in really well. That'll be due for a trim back soon and a replant so it grows back even thicker. So one of the best things about having a YouTube channel is that companies randomly send you things, and when you come home from work and there's a package here, it's exciting, especially if you don't even know what it is. Especially, which one is it? Is it especially? Oh, who cares? So it looks like these new lights from Chihiros CII. I don't even know. What is that? What is that? What is that? Chihiros CII. Anyway, this company has not paid me anything. They just sent me some lights. So yeah, I completely forgot they were sending them, to be honest. Let's have a little look. Get them on some nice nanos then. Very smart presentation, Chihiros CII. And I got no idea what any of this is. Let's just look at the light. Tell you what, I'm struggling with that. Why don't you just get it on a tank and we can have a look at how it looks. Have a look at how it looks, yeah. Yeah, cool. Pretty cool looking light. Good brightness. I mean, we're just looking at nothing at the moment. I've probably not set that right either. It looks a bit sort of skew with and that, but It's pretty stylish, to be fair, isn't it? I think it looks pretty decent. Obviously time will tell, and I'll get some plants and a tank set up. I mean, let's not beat around the bush here. It's a light. As long as there's good like 5-10 watts, it really comes down to what you like the style of. I mean, it's a really nice stylish looking light. If you want it, you can buy it. If it's available to buy yet, I'm not even sure if it is. So just because I'm creating a vlog video doesn't mean I've stopped the main build video. At any given time I'm doing a full project in the background, and then I sort of step away to create these vlog videos. Sometimes that can really help with creativity if you're getting stuck in a rut in your build and you can't come up with new ideas. You just step away, do stuff in other areas, and it can actually really help. Currently I'm working on 2 projects, to be honest. Finishing off of that bad boy you can see over my shoulder. That build video is coming this weekend. I'm just waiting for like a new piece of equipment to come in the post, like a real cool Steadicam for the new camera that we're filming on now. Just enabled me to get really nice smooth shots. And then the other project I'm working on is a brand new tank for Timmy. Well, it's the same tank, but it's a new design. It's going to be a full little mini pond. Lots of people are doing mini ponds at the moment. I thought I'd put a little twist on it and make it suitable for a tiny little turtle. So he's got like a nice basking area and things like that as well. And just incorporate a really nice, cool design for a turtle. I mean, he's not going to be in it that long, probably another 4 months or so, and he's going to be out too big for that aquarium because he's doubled in size since I got him already, and he's growing really well. Oh, guess what? Guess what? The parcel's arrived. We've got the gimbal. So I've been waiting to get this little thing for so long, and by so long I mean I ordered it yesterday, and thanks to Amazon Prime, it's arrived today. I love that. Like, Amazon Prime's awesome, isn't it? But yeah, I used to have a gimbal for my phone when I used to film with my phone, but now I've got the big mirrorless Canon. Like, it doesn't work on a gimbal unless you buy like a special one like this. You know, these things aren't cheap, but it's worth it for those extra special shots like this. So another really cool thing about the Ecosystem Aquarium, other than the fact that we've got an absolute ton of free food on the top for these guys, which I'm going to feed them in a minute, but come down low with me. Let's have a little look. I don't know if it's going to show up because they're so small, but let me switch to manual focus mode because this might work. No, not you, buddy. Get away. Right, okay, there we go. Right, we can see them up in the top there. Hopefully you guys are getting that. Should be seeing it now. All in that middle section, right where my finger just was, there's tons of babies there. There must be a good 50 babies in here now. No, that's probably a massive exaggeration. I'm going to go and say that there's going to be about 20 new babies. Now, as many of you know, breeding endlers, or even guppies for that matter, same methods, it's very easy. Like, you just put them in a tank and they breed. But that being said, it's still exciting. It's still exciting to get new fish, for me anyway, baby fish at any occasion. So all of a sudden I was just going through the ecosystem tank and I saw them there. It was really good to see. You can never have too many babies, right? And what I like to do if I do get too many is give them to the local fish shop, so they got like free profit effectively, you know, and it's fun for me. So, but we've got that duckweed in the tank now. It's starting to take over the surface. I'm going to fish a load of it out and feed it to the goldfish as a treat.